Hey guys, it's me Maria and Panda. I found him a new spot right next to my background. And Sealy, Bob, Rose, and her mom Ruby. So yeah, I found him a spot. Him and his friend, or should I say, a spot right over here. You can't see, but it's right over there. Oh my god, my eyes look so blue today. It's blue and green. So yeah, and today we're going to be doing squishy fun! And FYI guys, yes, I know I spelled squishy wrong. But those are not on purpose. But yeah, and my phone case is off. It's a little tiny. And yeah, my bucket of squishies is right here. All my animals. I think Bob's in this one too. If I could find him. He's somewhere. He's somewhere on this thing. Anyways, I'm going to be just doing some fun stuff with my squishies. And yeah. And guys, I didn't upload this video I made because it was like a little too long. But yeah, I need to today I'm going to add like stuff to my background, like this sticker. So I'll add, so like I'll put like pictures and everything, just like fun stuff. And today, hopefully guys, my mom will take me to Walmart so I can get some squishy mushies so I could do like a haul. I'll probably get like one or two. So let's just do some squishy fun. So I'm just gonna show you the squishies I'm gonna do the fun stuff with. But my homemade squishies, I don't think I will be doing them because they're so fragile. So squishy fun will be these. I know it's dirty, but this panda bun, this peach, my turtle, those are all actually. I'm not gonna use. So these are the ones I have left. See that? Okay, so there's something in my eye. Oh. So yeah, guys, we're just gonna be doing some fun stuff with my squishies today. So the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to take this melon bun. And put it in. I'm going to do a squishy experiment. I'm going to put one squishy in the freezer. So I'm going to put this melon bun squishy in there. So let's go see. See, look. Right there, and then I have my stuff, my crowns. I need to put on here. Sorry guys. We are sorry. Oh, we were watching a movie, and I didn't know that it was so good. It's so funny. I just dropped you guys, but nah. Thank God that there was a cushion like right over there, so it didn't break. Well, it didn't fall on the cushion, but it didn't break. I need to get it back. So I got this little baggie. I'm just going to put my melon bun in. Yeah, there's my squishy. And here is the freezer. I'm going to put it right here. I will see you in 10 minutes. So, I'm gonna leave it in there for like 4 to 3 minutes.
Come on, I want to ride.
Lucy! Neil! Scott Calvin. Odd place to run into you. Lucy.
What's up, Mr. Calvin? Can you please go?
Wait. What happened between you and Lauren? Scott, I know you think therapy is like witchcraft, but you of all people might consider it, please.
So yeah, and here's my Christmas tree right now, like queening, like literally, I'm queening everybody, like bye. But, yeah. Oh my God, this is like lighting goals. If it was not so bright, like let's see that. Yeah, and I really love this new shirt my mom got me. It's a little big, but, and I'm wearing it with these Justice leggings and some fuzzy socks because I'm tired. But yeah, and guys, I'm gonna do a tour of my side of the room because Sunshine side is not clean, as you may see. So I'll just scoot it on her side of the room. This is supposed to go on my side of the room. And my puppy, what the crap? So I'm trying to steal everything. My puppy, little guy. And then my smelling num num. That smells like cotton candy. So yeah, let's do this. So I'm gonna start from my side of the room. So you walk in from the door and you see this, minus the squishies. Let me just. The squishies are never there, so let's just shove them right over. So we have my Christmas tree, and I have my little jumbo stuffy that I got from Cheer last year. Then I have this, my bed, which is like this really cool feather design, and then it has a zigzag, and then it has this really cute pillow. And you walk over here, we have our closet, this old chair, my dirty clothes basket, my new cheer bag, my old school bag. And then this is where my YouTube area starts. I have the papers for the thing, and then I have the box with tape on it, and some crowns, and I have all of these stuffies I just like to sit by. Then I have my sitting cushion, and you just sit on it, and I have my background that I need to fix because it fell over, but my background, my little sticker, my squishy basket, my plug-in, and then right here I have my headphones and my charger, and then this is for extras, but right now I just have my old Sharpie pen, and then I have all my squishies that I'm not using for this video. So yeah, and that's my side of the room, and then we have my background and my thing, and then all my trophies and medals and my pictures and this like baskety thingy, and then this is where you guys sat at the beginning on this little Beanie Boo thing. So yeah, I'm gonna go get the squishy out of the thing. So let go. Hi, it's very cold.
And you love it too much.
It's so cold. It's like freezing. The bag is like foggy. So I bet it's gonna be like hard. Cause like it used to be like okay. Okay. Oh, I just bumped into it. Okay. Squishy. Let's see. It turned out to be. It's not as cold as I thought it would be. Oh yeah, that got more surprising. Look how surprising that is. Watch. That's unreal. Definitely a success. In the bucket it goes. So yeah, I'm probably gonna put this after I do all the big ones. Next, I'm going to take this squishy and throw it. I'm gonna go get it now. I'm back. It's normal, so success. These are like just random stuff. doing next for my eyebrow peach, I am going to, I can't believe I'm going to do this, I'm going to write on this, I'm going to put black dot. So, Sharpie. Bad idea. Oh, here it is. There's the black dot. I'm going to blend it in so bad. Nothing like blend it in.
Best drink ever.
What do you do?
Put cereal on it. It's now slushy.
You put milk and cereal on it.
So I got milk, and then I was like, "Wait, you love your cereal."
So then you see the black dot. It's completely fine, so success. And then for my little baby, turdy. Oh,
Yeah. It was like
I'm
this,
going
and
to
it fell
do-
down.
a very weird there, but I'm going to shove it in this. No.
Squishy's fun.
So
It says Squishy's fun.
squishy fun.
Squishy fun. You should say Squishy